If you looked in a mirror and didn't recognize yourself, you'd be worried, right? For most animals, that's normal. But a rare few, they look in a mirror and go, "That's me." Yeah, it's true. Let's dive into the fascinating world of animals' self awareness. Stick around till the end because the last one might just change how you see birds forever. Let's go. Psychologists conducted a test to determine self awareness on a group of animals. It's called the Mirror Self Recognition Test, or MSR test. It was developed by psychologist Gordon Gallup in 1970. A mark is placed on the animal. If it uses the mirror to touch the mark, it passes. First up, elephants. They are known for their memory and intelligence. In MSR tests, they used their trunks to touch marks on their foreheads. Studies find out they recognize their own bodies, faces, and even mourn their dead. Next, great apes. The test conducted on chimpanzees, bonobos, orangutans, and gorillas. They were found using mirrors to inspect teeth, faces, and even strike poses. Very human-like behaviors showing signs of embarrassment or grooming. Dolphins, representative from the ocean. Bottlenose dolphins pass with flying colors, even though they don't have limbs to point. They used body rotations and postures to inspect themselves. Super smart swimmers. And lastly, European magpies, one of the only birds to pass the mirror test. Pecks at colored stickers on their necks only when a mirror is present. Pretty impressive. They shows advanced cognition in species with completely different brains from mammals. Tiny bird, big brain. What about octopuses, dogs, cats? Octopuses are super smart, but don't pass the mirror test, possibly due to different sensory systems. Dogs and cats usually fail, but may recognize smell and sound instead of visuals. They failed. The test doesn't mean they're not smart. They just think differently. And still lovely. So the next time you see your pet stare into a mirror, ask yourself, do they know, or are they just vibing? Which animal surprised you the most? Would your pet pass the mirror test? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more wild animal intelligence and crazy science every week.